As long as I have the dog skeleton out, I'm going to show you the technique that most veterinarians use when they do canine chiropractic, and that is using this instrument here called the chiropractic adjusting tool. This is called also an accelerometer because it impulses when you squeeze the handle together like this. And if you have the collar, which is this piece all the way up, which exposes all the rings, it has quite a bit of force. But for most small animals, you have it so it's two threads. There are two threads exposed between the collar and this part over here, which is the base. Okay, so you keep it on this setting for the entire sequence. Here is the sequence that most veterinarians use when they want to prevent canine hip dysplasia. They just take it in simple contact on the atlas and squeeze towards the opposite ear, and then the other side over here like that. Find the second cervical vertebrae, which is the axis or C2. And then from that point on, you adjust every spinous process all the way down the spine. There are 7 cervical vertebrae, 13 thoracic vertebrae or dorsal vertebrae, and 7 lumbar vertebrae. So once you hit the atlas here, hit the atlas on that side here, it feels like 2 large bumps on the side of your dog's neck. And then squeeze all the way down, find the tops of the spinous processes, and click, click, click until you find the very last one. Then you find the pelvis, the 2 tops of the pelvis called the tuberous sacrales, about this far apart, straight down here, and then the ischial tuberosities, straight towards the right ear for the right one, towards the left ear for the left one, and that's the entire sequence. Okay, so you would do this sequence 3 different times. The first pass is called the diagnostic pass. You look for certain things called reads, and the reads are explained in the dog adjusting DVDs that I have for sale, which are also on my site. And then there are 2 therapeutic passes. So again, atlas here, atlas, spinous processes all the way down, tuberous sacral straight down, tuberous sacral straight down, ischial tuberosity towards the right ear for the right one, towards the left ear for the left one, and that's the chiropractic adjusting tool sequence.